a red fox's thin summer coat gets stretched, but this male has to find food for his growing family.
Gió nó cao là bao nhiêu?
With the rain, the hopeful bears gather at the rising waters of the river. But again, it seems their timing is wrong. Another missed meal, and one less day to fatten up for winter. The female fox also feels the pressure. Her underground den conceals 5 3-week-old kids, each weighing around 100 grams. They grow stronger by the day on a diet of fresh meat. They'll spend the first 5 weeks here before facing the outside world. Even then, the kids will only stay with the mother until autumn. For now, just suckling is tiring enough. Finally, in July, waves of salmon begin to make their way upriver to spawn in Lake Kure. And along the volcanic banks,